For the girl who asked me in my DM how my hair looks like straight off the shower, that's exactly how it looks like with zero products.
Girl, I can't lie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do what we do best, which is another hair tutorial. So I'm going to be doing finger coils today, and it's just the basic drill, you know, like detangle your hair, make sure it's smooth, make sure there's no tangles, make sure there's no fairy knots as usual. So this one is going to be really simple. Just use your eco styling gel, and from there you just take a very small piece, or rather a small section, and just take that and put a little bit of gel on your fingers, and then just coil it around your finger just like that. It's very simple, but the thing with this style is I've never done it, so I really don't know exactly what is going to happen when the results come out. But the point is, I think that this one will kind of suit me a little bit, because I live in a tropical place. I live in Mombasa, where it's really hot, so my hair tends to be dry. But then because I'm using a gel, I feel like it's going to encourage dryness in a good way, if that makes sense. So I feel like I'm just going to let you watch and see exactly what I do. Just again, just put some gel on your fingers or on the hair, whichever way, and then just coil it around your finger like so, the way you're seeing me doing it. So I feel like the best way to do this is make like assorted sizes. Don't make them one size fits all. I feel like with the different assortment of sizes, maybe you can make one bigger, one like medium sized, another one small. That way you get like different sizes, and looks a little bit natural instead of just having them in one size. It makes it look like your hair is kinky naturally, if that makes sense. So those are the results. I really kind of sort of low-key don't like it, because it's not as big as I expected it to be. But this is I'm gonna show you a clip from like 3 days later. Yeah, that's how I wake up. I just pin it at the front, and then I put it in a bun before I sleep. So there's this thing I saw where you split the coils, the way you're seeing me doing it. Just splitting the coils, what it does, it gives a little bit of fullness, and also it makes the kinky coils a little bit softer and a little bit bigger. And if you check other tutorials, I didn't want to use heat, but The people also stretch the finger coils with the blow dryer. It gives like a bigger look, but I feel like after 3 days it wasn't looking good, so I just I did my best. I stretched them and I gave it a little bit of a revamp. I also sprayed my hair with a little bit of water just to give back the moisture. And the thing is, when you really don't want to keep this style for long, because you know your hair is just going to start coiling, because people do this as a beginner dreadlock thing before, like, they want to, if they want to see how they're going to look with dreadlocks, this is what they usually use. And if you keep them for long, they're going to lock. So I'm gonna give you a period of like 1 week maximum. If you go on later, your hair will lock, and it will, when you're trying to take them down, it will cause breakage. So this is me trying to put on a style, just to give it a little bit of a style, and basically that's what I came up with. So I hope that you liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at Rachel_Ndanu and Twitter at the same handle. And I will see you next week on Thursday. Make sure to always like be the better person, because an eye for an eye makes the world blind.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking